match KG.
Kulayana.
Register match yami. Ngicela uregister lapha.
This
is my birthday. It's not
KG, what's your name? What's your full name?
Rosie. Ibubesi.
Yeah, one kids we rakara kids why?
I can wait, Batum.
Yeah, kona ndio.
Hello, thank you so much for the rock with my dear.
Udula vyangu sankiti koso wanyaka.
Ngiqale ngebhubesi
Unyaka kuisa guy.
hamba recharge u500 manje ubushama yendatha u5
unyaka kuisa guy
level 5
hele man
nyakumira sikhale
thank you so much sis thank you ndobe ngilindila yona
KG baluchuma lamabone abanyiko
are you winning Sfiso
hey yeah pumpkin wa rage ara tla utlwa ka yena yano era ke share le the Powerpuff Girls
oh boy welcome yewana
ungashare ayis lapha beyofayela ibhubesi
adlala thank you to look oyikuthulu
kupale double tapping to
guys boys versus girls guys phambili GBV guys
how many people do you have Tiko?
Yeah, my people are gone. I have 18. Imagine.
The whole
the whole me.
That big Nyash.
It's a guy Nyash.
I was just saying.
It's a guy.
I was just saying.
AKG.
Yeah?
Kubuhlungu udlala no Smile kodwa makumele uphushe uzophusha kunjalo.
Usmile.
Usmile yathuka yazani. Ayigeke baba.
And Usmile ukufakile nawe so ungene wena mara vele kudala uthukana kudala uzibonele.
Ke bathugana ambiyano.
Pumpkin.
KG kodwa angithuka umuntu angangenzanga lutho.
Wena vele kudala vele nawe nje uzibolele vele.
Okay bamfundisa omo corrupt.
Yes.
Wrong.
Mao.
Nalo pumpkin ralwa ke mina no pumpkin siyalwa straight. It's a serious fight.
What's the fight all about?
Pumpkin ralwa ko ta life ya ga mbono rancha.
Arengi?
Ora to rancha. Acha mukusazi everywhere.
Guys, we need one last rose.
Yangitshela straight ukuthi yena engazi ukuthi mina ngiyenzeni.
Ngidla ngicela rose. Guys, one rose.
Thank you.
Guys, a lion and end all this nonsense.
Candice, thank you so much, babes.
Thank you so much.
Sugar Plum Green, welcome. Thank you so much.
All right, best.
Tam three.
You know a lion can stop this nonsense.
Yeah, I can stop this nonsense. And the universe.
Jojo, how are you, my brother? Jojo, where are you?
Universe disconnect. A universe disconnect.
Mara, today who can come and complete this week gallery of mine?
Definitely not me.
But not KG. Look at him.
Sugar Plum, what is too many interstellar? You too many view once. Ngiyifaka ama filter yophuma ikahle.
Costa, what did I do? Ngeze.
Bobo.
Piso kuta bubble number 1 ya how you recharge mon.
Yeah. Go now, Kuro. View on somewhere sharp. Where wanna?
You don't know what to do.
Piso kuta bubble number 1 ya how you recharge ka mo.
You fixed my crown.
Bubble number 2. Boka.
I want to go beat number.
That's why I give you one killing
That means I'm going
after we are playing the Excel game
today. I'm going to be one.
Arunyaka view until yena ke motshepile so.
Awa arna viewers ya monna. Ke motsa ke rao khatele ya ka eng gore le khone gore gifta.
Oh, thank you, Dad.
Sengathela ngoba smokeless ngidrope ngaze ngaku B2.
Yeah, vela usana next
man.
man. Badiniwa abafundisi. Uhlima lomnikelo. Ya tired.
Ngaze ngaku B2 from A2 khona la aya ukuthi B2.
And udropa nje batshele ukuthi uvula every day. Hayi ukuthi uyencisa. Yeah, always here with your green screen.
KG baro hana ka view once we.
Angazi nokuthi ngibambe inkosi yami. Uthi mangiyishuthe KG.
Once but baba recharge.
Ha!
Guys, interesting like can
Cool why you request ka away accept it.
Guys, what Interstellar can end all these shenanigans?
Okay, get one ka shenanigans.
Oh, I want it private. We have been accepted it. And I said it a long time.
Thank you so much, sis. Thank you.
Yes.
Ngiyabonga. Ha.
Ito overcoat. Uyakaphuka.
Yazi ngayiphi.
Ooh. Find my coat.
Ito overcoat. Generator no akifutsa.
Nah, my viewers up, yes. How about that singiyabonga. My viewers. Angela ngathi lento yabumbeka kahle. Yami ngeke ngikho.
Hayi ke.
Awuri ko generate la code ke abua khona.
Mara
musu wa bota code ya khule so
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Uta switcha u generate le code yana mo.
Ke jo ba batho re ke nna o thafolo.
Sasa kwa ikhanda lami. Ubithe. Ubi hairstyle yami.
Ke jo ya ka guys, ke nna bela.
Yo.
Ke nna haleshwe.
Na omo o le KG. Na omo mabani. Bonang sing. Bonang.
Hawa utla sfiswa ring.
Are.
A gona khalishi, wa itse khalishi ke kae?
A tse.
E vele ka sotsibe.
Ke kae?
Kimbali. It's a township ku Kimbali kwa. Like Soshanguve ngi.
Alga fetsa 4 weeks.
Sfiso mara wa ura khulu felo so mon. Khulu felo o gila o dumedisa ko waterfall khona wa metha ka bom mara sfiso.
Ka mo tse khulu felo o rila o wa ne motho a tshwana le nna ko waterfall. A re ke nna ka ria. A ke na gola ba nkeneletse ka na gola ba athekile basadi ba bantshi ba mpona ngara instead of ba thepe ba bona snack ba no bona lace e kima e tsamaya ka maoto ba re zempa shile kwa re ngata.
Why wira motho mo wira ngwana mo motho?
No. Na ka hana. Pur lo mpone ko waterfall so I couldn't say no. Ne ke feta. A ke nne waterfall ne ke feta. Ke nna
Bona
ale.
smile sa ga ka mo rile bola te Pitori. Wa itona se go ntshotse re botsang batho mo interneteng.
Wa re ke dire?
It tota late, it's fine.
Hey, wakai. Wakai, azanga ke bua sepe nna. Ha.
O boletse wena mos.
Ke re o nglate nna.
Ha o tsa di code tsa rona gae.
Ne ke ring ka code na. Ne ke bala comment mo.
Amkina mzwanga kani?
Awa, na ke ne ke bala comment shem.
Angithi sanikhuluma language le angisaniswa mina.
Well, thank you, Kabobo.
Guys, Mara, where can we get snipers during the daylight? Does snipers come during day?
Yes. Mina KG sengistreama angisazi ukuthi smoke sami si what time.
Mina, I've never streamed during these days. Tepo, Oring Bafanas. I've never streamed during these days. During daylight.
When KG, when you stream and get coins, what do you do with them? Do you withdraw them or do you?
I recycle ke nyaka ufa bia di ranking ka 2 million coins. Ke nyaka bia di ranking ka 2 million.
Ya withdraw KG siyamondla TikTok.
Awungawudli level engaka. Wena ne level encane kanje.
Kodwa KG ngiyake ngisho nje ukuthi ngabe ngamthola uKG yazagitha nkosami maybe ngabe ngiyakulwela estradweni. Oh, bathi KG ube
It's waiting for me, Bafan. It's waiting for me. Ke
Yamazi, listen, ungiftile Khawan.
Now akuphi ibhubezi shuthi
It's
mina
in
ngi-
Khawan.
Bubes, not Bubes.
Tiko, Khawan.
Yeah, you gifted me once.
Oh, okay.
But I'm not lying, Most. That time I was live with Dr. Malinga and you came to my live and I was like, oh!
Nathi ukhale ke
Tata Mola Vault. This guy I gifted you and Babu to create Vault. The Vault.
Yes. Even Spiso gave me a vaults.
Unelaki wena ngifayela laba bafana basithinji lapho. Wesifisa, umuntu usifisa unelaki in this app.
Now Spiso will give you, Jose, welcome. Now Spiso will give you 1,000 roses. What means Spiso? 2,000 roses. I don't know why.
Let's go remake Bafana.
Nama popular votes awu 50 la. Isifiso lo.
Mina Spiso will give you
So,
1,000 roses.
So,
Imagine,
pumpkin,
I'm a rose
yabona-
8,000.
Yabona
Unelaki
pumpkin.
gift usifiso.
Pumpkin, yabona ungathi si stingy. Awuthi go bathola ama Vault.
From usifiso.
That was last year, Jenna.
How
I was new. I only saw UKG on Zimba's life and yeah, Mama Koza's life.
And I came there, you were like,
Teko.
I was so happy when I saw KG flying in my life. Yo, guys, I was so happy. I'm like,
Wena pumpkin udlala njalo njengomthethela, that's why.
that time my parents were sleeping. Imagine.
Should I follow Pumpkin? Yakhumbula KG ubuza u-Ash ukuthi should I follow Pumpkin?
Nakere
Ngiyasile
pumpkin.
KG yes.
Wena pumpkin uhlala ungithreathena, that's why ngikusaba. Ngiyayisaba ne life yakho. Mangena yeah. I've got proof. Uhlala ungithreathenisha.
Kodwa
If I go on any video and I find, if I go on any
Guys,
video
can you
and I
please
find
double
a
tap the
comment,
screens? Ritual.
I'm sure that comment is gonna be a threat.
Ritual, can I please have head and mustache?
So, mina ngicabanga ngathi weekends.
Not
You are
donuts,
a
please,
gangster.
Ritual. Head and mustache. We need 3 of them for the gift gallery.
Angikusol yabona mina sifiso ngisengabona ukuthi ngabe i-support angiyitholi from outside ngabe ngeyinto nje la eSouth Africa. Ngoba eSouth Africa it's rare. To support from South Africa. Kona noma kampuni. Rare ukuthi sithola i-support from South Africa.
MK.
Ngiyasho uNkulunkulu ngiyabonga ukuthi angithola outside.
Can sibashayeni dog, guys? Let's be fair.
Angikhali sifiso angicomplain ngiyasho nje ukuthi bani like abantu abagifta ukuthi.
Ritual, where have you been though?
yabona ukuthi yabona wanga streamer wangadlala namabhega. Bheka simanipulate njani manje?
Ithamfela amo.
Bheka manje ukudlala namabhega. Ukudlala namabhega kuyahlupa. Bheka simanipulate njani manje?
Tikute, where she at?
KG.
Who?
Yes, manipulate.
Pumpkin is at Cape Town, Mos.
Kanjani KG? Mina ngiyasho ukuthi ngakuthola ungasagift wena.
Yes.
Ubuza actually should I follow Pumpkin?
Zange.
Guys, we need to
Yes,
close it, guys.
KG, yes.
Let the
Yes.
kids.
Wawulive yakho mamela.
Thank you,
Wawulive
mate.
yakho.
Thank you,
Guys,
Tom.
we need to
Wewe
roll this one.
wangifollow
Guys,
ngefoni
come on.
yakho.
Hayi.
U-Ashley nguye wangifollowa ngefoni yakho. Wena wawuthi
Referring to Fortunate.
awufollow
Fortunate is at her
wawufollow
place.
abantu abawu-200 I think.
Benhlupha Pumpkin nenhlupha ngiyahlupa. Hayi.
Ke uyambona manje useyibheka manje
Happy
usefollow abantu
vibes,
abawu-1000.
Manje the way ngizitshela ngakhona ubonile ngale ku backup ngifuna abantu abayingaki abayi99 ungenzela abantu uzenza wes100
I
ungazi
don't
ukuthi
Hayibo
know, hey now.
KG bekumele ungifollow
I don't
nje.
know, maybe.
Mina angazi ngiphi
But
ibhubesi.
late at night. She goes,
KG ma ubuya TikTok uqale ngani nje ibhubesi KG?
nah, Misha, I'm paging.
Hawu.
Sikho fast sikathoma wena
Why?
sikathoma
Kira, you must give me a bubesimus when you start
Oh,
gifting.
God.
When I hook Malinga 3-0 ka wena, I drop more than a lion.
Yeah, and you are very right. Even Sfiso dropped, like there was a live whereby he dropped more than a lion. I was playing with Ali, and Sfiso just came out of nowhere and gave me 2 volts. And what against his flying jets?
I was not there.
You were there. You were there.
And then now, and now we,
Guys.
and now we are sitting here.
I just
Hugo,
inherited
and now we are
this account.
sitting here. Ne? And now we are sitting here. We are begging for roses and taps.
Bro.
I guess it's last 3, man.
KG, remember when I used to play you, like early this year, like we would play later, like about 7 at night. Me, you, Renee, Kanalemang.
It was me, you, Renee, and sometimes we were mixing with. Also,
Yeah, we were mixing. Sometimes we were mixing.
Sometimes Onako will be there.
Bonolo,
Sometimes
Bonolo.
Bunolo.
Bunolo was not there.
No, Bunolo used to come as well.
Mara, not like that much. Mara, like they made people, there's 3 of us. Yo, KG, I remember this other guy came to gift me like crazy. KG was like, what are you doing with that samosa of yours? I'm like, KG! KG! Wena ubolile, khala ubolile wena KG.
I was bringing you smoke.
Damn, and he gifted me that guy. Every day he would come. Every day he would come.
And those series were nice because I was bringing you smoke. And you were
Yeah.
still new, you were starting
Sometimes,
to...
also, sometimes it will be Scott. We must do it again. You must tell Renee to come back to TikTok, Shem.
Rene a rone o lapile ka lena. Mabana o tsene gift ra Rene ya ndumedisa re hi.
Why
Ke mo sendetse
so good?
Madam D.
ke mo sendetse message e nngwe my brother, how are you? Have a festive season. Have a festive season, my G. And at that time, I don't know if Namdi is a he or she.
My brother.
He's an Arab, actually.
Guys, can you snipe for us, Shem? Guys, please, Baba fan.
Kare my G, I get my tomorrow. The message I had you must keep your account on settings so we can send you messages and keep checking up on you. Thank you, Mr. Hatmi.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
Nana Garleta win I'm sure what a party.
No. It was a Rene le mo story se ke post le ngwatsa ke Rene bignalim namd ke mo ngwatsa a sweet festive season message ke mara that Arab guy. Why? That Arab guy is my friend. Must know if that guy can come for me. Hey. I'm gonna be unstoppable. I will whoop you day and night.
On right course 10 million coins so I knew.
Mfano my fellow pega. Net one problem. On pas tuer university. Utse di college tsotlhe o lahle ke robeng.
I don't have to.
Guys, let's double tap.
A pumpkin. Yazi kubhlungu njani. My fellow pega boy. Yazi kubhlungu njani umuntu akufone lekuseni RKG. Wayithi mabani ke lahletse di lion tse 4 ko life ngeso. Leso sikhathi awuna smoke utshela wena ngekhona. Uyazibuza ukuthi mara baba uyacabanga kahle kahle.
Nje asona kabela ndilo ziyo. Akho wena kabela ndilo ziyo. You have no right.
Lalela my G, you are the one. You are the first one to send me. You are the first one to send me a uni. Oringba Fanas, are you good?
Mang Sfiso.
Yeah. First to get a uni, and not 1, 2 on a day. 2 lions in a day.
So now, open like a hotel. Oh, la ke pedi.
So go send nna ke khosha ke khoshela wena.
Oh,
Molimo, I'm good Bafanas.
Go khosha le Sfiso.
Wa akile mo ka hasela ke khosha, o satse nna ke khoshile khoshela wena.
Guys, one more rose.
Nna ke bua le Sfiso, ke bua le wena nna. Nna ke Sfiso, please come and give me 2 galaxies, not KG.
Na ke re tse wa so wena mo mpotsa ka 2 galaxies e bile.
Go shapa Bafanas. Are you good?
When Sfiso, do you remember?
How is streaming going,
He's on
Bafanas?
that train. There was a point where my Sfiso hated me
How
in
is
his
streaming
life.
going?
I'm
Let me
gonna-
speak to my chat.
I'm
These
gonna
people are
hit
making
I
you
know,
up.
I'm just saying, like, according to the Stepons, thank you so much. I'm saying, like, according to Barry King,
Are you good, Bafanas?
the
How is
live.
streaming
Remember
going?
when I was playing, what kind of Kimang that girl?
This week, are you not going to church?
Como fake?
That one, man. I took her
Okay.
freaks. They were like
This
50 or
Bafanas is not
something.
here. I'm opening this.
Oh, liberator man.
No.
Ah, Tsekofatso.
It was a girl.
President used to support you a lot. President.
Oh, Bafanas.
Yeah, he did. I'm not talking about him. Kiris Fiso, Nang sniper every time because I took this up. Can I get that girl here?
Famas.
I took her 50 streaks. That
Yeah,
time
Famas
Fiso
done.
was the one who was sniping that side, and I also had a gift at this side. So after that, and how long Fiso was sniping. I didn't say the glove, and that person was sniping more.
No, I was not there. Nakole mo sniper ne ke tswile.
Oh, only guy. Man,
Look
after
at
that,
this.
I get that someone
Look at this.
on that someone's live was snipe. After that live, go on, yes.
Mara Tshego, when are you
It
used to
was
have
not that thing.
Tshego, when are you used to have smoke? President, whenever president is passing to your live stream, he will drop something big.
Yeah, shame, not to be honest.
And he will drop something big. He will leave you with something big and pass.
And with it, like, I feel like maybe, like, you see, but the beginning of the year, kind of like my time, because that's when, like, my smoke used to go very high.
No, I used to give you smoke. Wa change again.
No, Kitchen Chayang. I literally came to school and, like, things changed. I started not being, like, consistent like before. How?
And I used to give you smoke. I was going harder on you and I'm leading. People were feeling sorry for you. This person not your KG maring. How corrupt. Had value.
You are the universe. Let me kopela the universe.
Had value. A corrupt lady.
Nakirileng.
You'll come and use your face like this as if you're not seeing anything. You must put some classes. People will feel sorry for you. And that time, you'll act as a saint until you are a bodile girl.
Kibodile nakeji. Like a sweet girl like me, ubodile nje.
Things that comes from here. Yeah,
Wakeji, nake wano siyame inke. How? One kids when a vele sometimes no tolori e nna ke batlo bua thata le tshego cause unkudlisa botlhoko wa gopola.
As lo mfundisi lo, hey lo kuyakwazi ukuyibheka lokho.
Amu, thank you so much for this.
Guys, siyadliwa la.
Pumpkin and Shem. Smoke comes at night.
Mina vele since uliyema vele retired. Since
I
uliyema
don't
retired.
see at night, yo.
Why?
Since uliyema retired ngitosa nzima, yazi.
Who's Liam? Liam I used to give Renee, ne?
Yeah.
But she used to go out on KG. Bengafuni lutho with KG kugcwala igalari yo.
Bayishaya one ka A-League.
No Panamera nalotho uAngel. Hayi laba abantu bakuphethe KG. Kumele ukuthi mawubuya la ubuya khona badrop lo million.
No, mi bangidropa lama million kanti bafuna ukustreama. Yini nimosha ama gift abo babana bathi bafuna ukustreama labantu ukuthi ngibadropele.
Thank you so much, Amu.
Nami KG, nami kumele ngidropele. KG ngikondlile mina.
Awukaze wamondla. Hey. Mangihlolelo nomntombazana.
KG, bakushilo wena ama gifts ama streamers wonke la ubuwa gifts. Ngikondlile mina KG.
Pumpkin. Phume ekondleni. Khuluma ngokutoxic ne-comment ne-hurt me. Ekondleni uphume nje Pumpkin. Abantu bobawondla.
They had me.
Abantu bobawondla yilabo batroyela izolo Nkosi batshela ukuthi nginondlile nginibeke nakuma final. Mina ungikhiphe nje lapho kule list yakho ekondliwe. Esifiso. Unale comment ethi how so bonana Sfiso has joined the beggars.
Okay, I'm
Spice.
begging. Send me a lion, guys.
Why is it manga again?
But who knew ukuthi Sfiso was gonna be a streamer?
Yeah, man.
Sfiso.
No, Mara, Fiso Shem, to be honest, he was always like
Level
this.
25, 26. Yo, you ubusuka Sfiso. Yo, afuna ngathi.
But do you guys take Sfiso as a streamer? You guys do. You are not
No,
happening.
I don't take him as a streamer. Yeah, Nashem, since last year, he would go live 2 times a week.
Ay.
Usifisa uphuma ku-A League ufike njani lapho?
Sfiso never been on the A League.
Yes. Ufarmers Don't bemfaka usifisa ku-A League.
Ingakhulumi ngoFarmers Don't. Abanye ngakhuluma ngayo uzongena la and it won't be nice.
Nawe uzosibangela inkinga nawe manje.
No, asikhuluma into ebheda. Sengisho ukuthi lo
Yeah, kusho lo ukuthi kuyongena manje ngeke usakhuluma ngoba
He's the
you snipe izinto ezingabili.
Ngikhuluma ngayo on my life. Yes.
Come to my site and send a rose.
Angithi kumele sikulethele ismoke. Ufuna ismoke phela usmokeless manje ufuna ismoke.
Guys, these people come to my site and send a rose.
Guys, one more rose.
It's not like akadingi la makhwenzi uyafuna nje manje we must go hard.
Lo uyahada lo pumpkin lo yadelela.
Ubudit aro watel.
Hey siko na mase usondele so phambi kwami ngathi ufuna ungicabuza iyale.
Sifisa
Ngicabusa wena. You for what? For what nje? Tell me. For what? Why would I even kabusa you when I KG? There are a lot of people here, like in my viewers. Let me check my viewers. Ukuthi ngizokabusa but not you, Shem.
Emalaqabuzana ililimo.
Yeah, vele ngiyabaqabusa every day mina, like my viewers, Shem.
Yo.
Ay.
Lerna sa to no to uziwa mosisa.
Leon khosamgala bana ngikubheka.
Walex Fis.
KG ngicela sonikubheka Leon.
Mara pumpkin ngathi nambe ngifutshela wena ukuthi akungondle kayiwani unokuzotha uyekosathi uke wangwanje yazi unokuzotha bakangifakela ama baby layo angazi kwamusi kapi yazi
KG kala.
What Sikho is coming from Rustenburg. At least I'm from Rustenburg. Bloom.
Kala KG kala. Guess what? KG.
What?
Ke go tla le ditaba.
Bloemfontein.
Go tla le ditaba. Wa bona ga ke dutse so no. Ke bona di comment mo. Ke kry comment mo go this other guy. This other guy. Hey, this other guy o ngobile pelo. Ke ne ke lla jaka katse. Why is o commentile o busa pain ya 2019 o busa pain ya 2019 ya no ke mo 2025
O reng?
Senda universe kale wotsa.
It's
o
nice.
busa di pain ke tlo kreya di chest pain no o ene ha se ke healing. It's been 2020 it's been I don't know 5 years 6 years ha se ke be ke healing le bo no le today
O hetile no jwalele.
Phumula le box ke.
wena le ke tswela mo Facebook ka tloga one day ke bona post another girl
A o tshitela ka Facebook. La jela Facebook.
akizini ke mo rata this guy wait
Sai buisela leo cap.
Pumpkin. Does this other check on my bubble? Check on our bubble. His number 2.
Uba.
Him, like
Really?
yeah, man, cute biang. Hetile shemushman oh. Hey, pumpkin.
Who? DJ.
Yeah, DJ Shem.
DJ, follow me, oh. DJ.
Ngale la mayutsa batho ba khale Tommy.
DJ, me, I'm following you. I need to.
Tommy, ke toka. Ha ke tsiwa ye pizza Tommy. His name is Toka.
Ke tukaratume, muske mutebele, utswa ko me, ke tukaratume.
Ke Motswana, o tswa ko ke tswang teng kwa.
Tukarakwena.
Toka molele kwa. Tsego 2019 nalena re jodile 2017 o tla amo.
Thank you so much.
2017 2018 2019 angheta May 2019 I'll never forget. I will never forget May 2019. The 18 it's a May 2019.
Imagine, hopola a relationship.
O shebile wa o halela.
A relationship ya Facebook. Kiso. A relationship ya Facebook.
Wena.
Ne wa bopho.
Ubando memeza lapho pumpkin.
Facebook ya khale la le option la ya uphuka ne ba mo
Sefo
phuka
wa qala jole primary.
Yeah, ni mampoka. Why is the option yele ya? Ni really in a relationship with Barike Matoka was in a relationship with Buitep because my other name is Buitepo and that's what I'm known as back home. Like Bankis ka Buitep. So for the clean la ko skolong. So Nibai Buitoka is in a relationship with Buitep. Profile pic. Profile picture again.
It's my pass.
It's on the web. Data.
Yo, I hate.
Everyone just joined.
He was
Welcome,
the
guys.
first
Welcome.
guy
Guys,
in
No,
the
what about
whole world.
welcome.
It's raining where I am.
In my
Tell me
life,
about
they speak with a
situation
lion.
you are. Guys, one rose.
Yeah, Pumpkin
One
where
lion,
he was the
one
first
lion.
guy to ever break my heart. Empilweni ka Jehovah, guys. I was not coping. I think
Wenzani.
I was not coping. Shame.
Thank you, pre lady. Abashi so much. Leave, boys.
Mina yenzeni.
Leave, boys.
Wenzani.
Yena. He
Right.
posted another girl. He didn't even say let's break up. Shem. Mina just saw him posting another girl. I texted him. Yay, I was a beggar of love. I begged this guy to stay.
On Facebook.
Guys, be
Guys,
aware.
you
Wabona
got the
Kimberly
people.
James, guys. Bashimane baku Kimberly, don't even try to. Don't even try.
Imagine this lady was hurt on
Why
Facebook.
can't
Was
we
preaching on Facebook.
What guys? KG.
Yeah.
Ampuko ya mabutleng.
Yes.
Ngiyambona uTheko umuthi umuhle kanjani. Cabanga mabekhethu uTheko mina ngaba yini Nkosi yami.
I was once wanted to go Kimberly.
Hayi
With an extra
ngiyabona.
berry.
Yaba pumpkin. Bengi pink every day. Today I was
agent lakhe. Ngifuna uba i-agent lakhe. Ngifuna uba i-agent lakhe le account yakhe. Ngiloge in kule phone yami enye ngibe i-agent lakhe. Yena stream kuphela. Mina ngizodila ne-comment section. Nama
Not even comment section when I KG. Ngithoka someone who will deal with my DMs nje.
Mina will monitor the DMs kuphela.
And why is it now already
Ngizoba
registered?
i-agent yakho mina ngizodila nama-comment ngiyaphe wangena u-industrial angathi I like you ngithi my brother we are together. Let's go.
KG, like we will make millions, Shem.
Ngithi mina
Like we'll make millions, Shem.
Tigo, I will deal with your inbox. Me, I'll be your manager. I'll deal with your inbox.
Why is the manager? You are not supposed to have access to the account.
So don't come with your professional manager here.
TikTok.
Mona, don't come with your professionality of management. Can na manager ya Tigo? I'm managing Tigo's account.
Hi
Ow.
TR.
And Tigo, skaba stubborn. I carry shooter we me so. Shoot hello.
Yeah, KG.
Ke ra hore phosenyana ke ra ntse o nahana o nahana ntho tsa hao ke moliwa ke a o itse o sa le ngwana phe nahana dilo tsa hao mo tlhong
Hey, you Roberto ngwana wa code.
man se lo wena mana lo wena mona re tswile mo khoutong go ntse o dira bjang
Guys, kopale double tapping, Shem, guys. Guys, please double tap your screen, Shem Bandla.
ba mo founela o right a ke re bolaya dilo tsa o ya kwa tsa di code
KG, do you know that I'm Khoisan, I'm Xhosa, I'm Tswana sometimes.
I know.
I feel
I know.
like
That
even
is-
I'm colored.
that is why I know.
O salate na. Mai.
Ke salad, ke mixed veg, tle bathong.
Tigo o re why nna ke gone o bone hore ke se gone go khotlela disability ya hao because ke a bona there's something wrong.
No, le ke re ba o file code na next time o tsore KG o file code.
Piso o nyaka go fa full of code agere o nyaka go fa full of
Ah,
code.
Active King, Bombo Clark. Welcome.
Na di ba tse bana wa noka go wena go.
Tiko.
Ufreezile lo network yakhe yaseTheku.
Tiko.
Ah, when take yona jo ka e rata.
When you are ready, you will tell me.
About the management thing.
Yeah.
Ah, ko na I'm not leaving the yard ke sharp umuntu.
Yeah.
When you are ready, Miss May. When you are ready, tell me.
Uzoba manager, yeah, utoba manager ya kashem KG shem. Yazi mina strength kayithoka ewa ya someone who's gonna manage my accounts. Even at you see even at Instagram there West they tell me to send me your number once we send you e-wallet. That's even West.
And it's West, why Tikira? You are South African block.
Yeah, true.
You are South African block.
Yeah, South Africa. I've already pre-registered to be an agent.
You are international. It's easy for access and coming and what. That's where my target is.
Ria liku bingo. Why is it bingo?
King Tionani.
There's this other app called Bingo. People stream there. But like there's like it's also like TikTok. So how to create this restriction? So people do as they please. A guy can just twerk the gift at the other and they go like they don't take 50%.
When as a saint lady so good saint lady so as ufika jani go pico tse bona le restriction.
Cause some other girl on Instagram recommended it at the app. I download that, then I check it out.
Where the problem is, they would recommend the app, but at the end of the day, it will always be about numbers. Those apps don't have numbers. TikTok has the numbers.
Yes.
Yeah, but like there, people like it doesn't take 50% like a TikTok or something.
I don't really say logic when it comes.
Yeah, I
to
do understand you. Like, what do you want to say though?
Even if they don't take as much, but then the question is that how many people are going to gift you there?
That's a lot of gifters, hey. Can not like cleavage.
C'est à l'estomac. Ne ke mo tshepile.
Why? KG get I get something like actor also.
Pumpkin ngithi yabona beke
Tanti ke lo no sia min KG ke no actor fela like about like
una usiya man next mo usa usiya man next.
Yeah, I
I
got it. Can a lot. That actually reminds me, I need to cut my hair.
Amara sikho. Sikufata.
Which hair? Which
Yeah?
hair?
Account ya hao umbutha already ke tlo manage.
So which hair?
My hair in empandla ngisho.
Let me see please.
Oh hell no.
Mpandla means rich.
Bandla means broke.
No, it means rich.
Kanjani machozi?
Means
Why
I've been scratching my hair till it fell off, thinking of where I'm gonna get money.
Why Josie? There's something wrong.
All of the
There's
people that
nothing
have Mpandla, they are rich. G.
Number I'm
Why?
broke. What says I'm rich about me?
Okay, Sfisa, can I please have that iPhone 17? Ke?
Get cover.
Mr.
I think
Kandu.
Kaba.
My G, you are always here for me. Thank you so much. Yesterday you
Why
pushed me, my G.
Okay, kopa 10K re ke trade in iPhone 15 yaka. Mpe 10K go trade in.
Yes, my G. Yes, my G. Yes, my G. Hope you are
What
doing good,
perfume
sir.
now? Hey, I wanna know perfume tsa ka tlhagana le tsona.
I believe.
Tshego. Ke tla utlwa ka wena.
Ooh, sa.
Why is why? Ba mpuditse ka re account la hore tshwantse go imeleng. Ya batlela.
Ko ke KG sira so batla account ka bathong.
No, ka manager.
Ke ma go buditseng.
Ke tla botsa underground.
That's why ke le bantse ba mpolla gore tse go wena o tla ka blessings tsa gago,
Tla
blessings
botsa
tsa gago.
underground. Tla botsa underground.
That's why ba tlhetse ba tlhole ba ga banga gore tse go wena o tla ka blessings tsa gago.
And the people who told me are gifters as well, and female gifters.
So how do they know?
Again, they check, they monitor, they check, they do their analyzation. And maybe you never know because again they are gifters. Maybe some other people they went there, maybe they wanted an info about you, only to find out or nah, no, still a message on the request they are not being answered.
busy begana le di roses.
Khatlela yeme sifiso mona yeke tloela khatlele mona ke na le ma tloela khatlele mona khatlele tla le mathata le yona mona
O na le mathata e.
hai
Na re mathata le na ka mabjang na ale hafisa mo fitla.
na maybe ba ka kry di verse di functions tse di mo mmeleng di ka bereka
Maningi tala ngiphila yona.
Na ke a 40.
Mangatholi lion phezu kwekhanda likaSifiso guys ngaba happy like my dream come true.
Ungayenza ipati, ungayenza concert. Amado. Onisana.
Sifiso kanti wena mukai umuthoza umzulu umutswana
mara matata tlolla sifiso mnkosa sifiso
Ke mvenda, I'm
ke
venda.
muvenda motho
Okay, makes sense.
te kanti ke ba khore mini
You're the first person to say when I tell them that I'm venda or it makes sense.
ke bo khore mini dione kakati ya
Wena umuing wena KG nke to umutsonga.
ke mupedi nna
Mupedi.
tsonga mara na changani na sibulabula naso na sitibanyana katsongo ye Agrippa awungitshele le nhliziyo emhlophe yethuna ithi uyifa Agrippa kwathi unenhliziyo emhlophe mara izona ngokukhipha kuba moderate nonya kubisela le nhliziyo uyifake nini Agrippa wena uyiscam wena
Uba. KG bara changana sa teka so.
KG, why is he I was dating a gift?
oh that's a confession
No, I'm just telling you. Man, he's not from South Africa. He's a streamer, a gifter, a content creator, a celebrity, and all of that.
yeah that's a confession you are right you must teach them those people are confessing that's a confession Agrippa le hate emhlophe le uyifake kumscam le sekunikeza lamandla wakho phela izolo bengiremover amabhek angiyazi Agrippa izolo
KG, bare ke bona ka nko go mopedi.
Comment section are toxic leon Khetla since from last year you've got the white heart my G
Why you start seeing me now? Why?
we are my G Agrippa aziko sizwana kangaka
Tell me now, what did you do?
mara Agrippa awungitshela amalanga mara usapusha ubuyele kuvuleni iphalele mara at least bafana big Agrippa no useme kahle
Agrippa.
useme
Guys.
kahle big
Other
I
dogs.
think I'm fine. I'm just tired.
Other dogs. What's up? Sleep back.
ke mang yona tshegofatso ena o no mo data wa go
KG tla batho.
One ke mo data. Ke to
Yeah,
ka
okay.
ke. Oh, ke bare ke mang Sifiso wa meets DG.
Huh?
DG
Celebrity KG, did you na 2.something million followers?
3.
mara tiko mara pila wa itse ke kenya go manager account ya hao mona
O tlo bana di comment di message tsa mo. Ai, ke re ke di male guys ke tlo trend ma go tlo di bona mo o tlo tshoga hore batho wa itse wa sa gabe motho ya nong o.
Sigoreni what happened
Huh? No man. Mina ngithanda injojo yomzulu. Like
tsayela hampi lo wena
I need a baby Leon because I want a baby Leon.
oh JB
there's this other one that plays soccer, ne? He's like Sero, like Lalela when I catch. He's like Sero. I want like he plays soccer. I'm not gonna tell you the team. So he plays soccer. He's like, I want to take you for a vacation, Gadi 5. I'm like, they're closing Gadi 5, so we wanna take. I'm like, Leave me
Ah,
alone.
wa hapa o nyaka ntse stamina sa ya mo dima ha o nyaka spatch maboya mo tlohele wa na tšhelete.
Yeah.
Happy host. Thank you so
Ne,
much.
ntlogele once.
Ah, o nyaka spatch o nyaka fame o nyaka fame wena o mmotse gore o nyaka fame.
I can fame. That's why I have Arabi the celebrity say, cause I can flame. I can make fame. Fame.
Lebela raragana.
I can fame, guys.
Yes, o nyaka fame wena mama ba tlohele ne tlo ba.
That's why I can umzulu wami yabo.
O ya ko kae ko
Guys, tap. There's 14 of you.
o agree shiba ba ira tap
Guys,
the screen.
15 of you. And tap se fela re go 45.
Cause mama, KG, mama.
O yena santsa o itse ke ka be ke pitori ke fitla ke tsele panda ke mo tonoro ke bo ke toroba.
O tlo mo kry-a mo
Don't
top
know
right.
the line yanong. CD Fatso, thank you so much.
Come on, guys. Tap. Yeah.
Agree, my G, JP, with the popular. Agree, ba. The head and mustache.
Yeah, grape, KG. Yeah, grape.
Ah. O ya kae go agree pa go agree pa le bona shiba mazulu. Ba ira tap the screen.
Agriba. Welcome, Agriba.
Give me the hand.
So go wherever you want to go. Where the heart takes you, just go.
Ah, was Sfiso.
Thank you so much.
Sfiso.
Agriba.
Hi, Kita. Sfiso.
Eh?
Ke re go manager that account. Hore ke tse hore una le mechi. Siko. Le ola mechi no kile ata o tiema ne.
Ma?
Ola mechi.
Wako G.
O ka bolela lebitso le le felletseng sometimes le wena man ke
Yeah,
nyaka
guys, get that name. Yes, Mar.
ola mechini.
No, that one. Ish, I can go inside the peer, Mar. No, not me, but
Okay.
someone else. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I think the reason why is because of Agriba. Thank you so much, guys. Tell us, like, guys, nyakala bandla. Asbashayeni. Bramaiki gold. #gold.
Ngaba ke but I'm good. And it's just that Siko is a good girl of mine.
Yeah.
Guys, nahana re jake Bramaik. Nahana re jake Bramaik.
Guys, thanks for
So I tell like mang bra Mike.
Ke tse wa re bya o bitsa Bramaik ka.
Kalani lion, guys.
Ke nana re ola mechini le ena o kile a fitla go di DM azanga fitla.
Mara Shem and Shem hazanga fitla ne. Ish, when a KG. Oh, like Atila fitla, Mara not on my friends on
A ke
like.
re a o sa seba le nna ka kwa. No, o sa seba ke.
Ke ja ke
Mara
bona o
I
le
can't
di
go bolla that time. Mara not even lost one. Welcome, guys. Thank you guys. Asbashayeni, Asbashaye guys.
I shame ra se activate a speed mara hore la tlhela something.
Mara ke a itse bua ka mang KG ke tlo bolla utlo.
Yeah, sharp.
KG o batla ditaba.
A ke ba ditaba ke ba tlo direla smoke. Tiko.
Re tla utlela ko paneleng.
Ke ga o ngine ne ke rile nna. I'm a good saint now. Ke batla smoke and I want to create smoke for you. And once I create smoke for you, it's a win for you, it's a win for me.
How is it a win for you?
Nyaka hlombe.
O nyaka no re bolele ditaba tsa rena mo.
Okay. Ira yana KG re
O nyaka
ke Cape
Izana
Town, ke Cape
t-shirt.
Town. Ke batla go ya Cape Town no. Ka ning.
Ke manager ya how from now
I think
on.
no, we are deep down right now. You don't need to save. You can just book a flight now and go.
Guys, wa utla. Motho wa ka wa khala reng a re buitshepo sentse ke le teng wa utla. Ish guys. Di tlo bua di feelings.
Ana
tsa
chelete DJ.
Tlohela motho o phela ka dipitsi man.
DJ o na le chelete guys. Hali muitsi. Hali muitsi ke nna ke muitsi.
Universe, ha re prove la o sendele universe no.
Ha ke nyaka send madi our universe. O tlo senda madi a universe ao.
Ai khona. A re ke mona DJ.
Ha o sendele universe re khono bona re na le chelete fetsa o romelle madi a universe on top. Ma 20,000 yana. It's much. 20,000 yana.
O le account ya ke msa. Le account ya isa le msa.
Yeah.
Ka ro route DJ, bona wa pressa mo le recharge. Tamola war 40 and
Yeah, DJ o sa le tšhelete, o na le tšhelete ha e sa le bank, ha e berekisa o tshwana le rena, ha recharge.
Anikhathali ngokukhuluma.
Hayi ngidawusizwa. Sorry, Pumpkin. Sorry sikhohle ukuthi sibheka usazi yazi. Sorry.
Askisi shem. Oh, pumpkin pom pom. Oh, pumpkin pom pom pom. Oh, pumpkin pom pom pom.
We apply.
Bramike ikhona.
Thank you so much, Bramike Shem.
Agree. We apply masithi pumpy pumpy.
Pumpkin pom pom.
The king of the king. The king of the
Bramike,
king.
thank you so much. Thank you so much,
You
Bramike.
need to level
Lale
up.
yofika,
Thank you,
bese-
Tikato.
Mavi,
Mangi,
Mavi.
guys, everybody, thank you so much.
Nangis-
You know if you can grow big on my life, bring me level up.
Toby, you really have to, honestly. Thank you so much.
Abangena baphuma ba FYP.
Don't like this one. Bahlanya, banzelalo.
How?
Ah, sesiyahlanya manje. Sofuna ukubuyela ngathi. Sofuna ukubuyela ngathi.
Now
Guys, times 2. Bramike,
too much, Mav.
Manje awungitshele Pumpkin. Awungitshele.
Thank you, Ghosty. Yes.
Ngeke ngithi ngoba ngizithela ngoba.
utlobuza, mutshele vele.
Ini. I'm good, my brother. I'm good, Mavi. Mavi, when you go to 40, you must come here to the 40s. You can't level up to the small level.
Mav azofaka i-heart mila. Kechi buza phela fast.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Bengithi mina utshele laba bawubondla ukuthi uyabondla. Hayi mina ungikhiphe lapho kulabantu bakho.
Lawo ndlana khantelelemu.
Uthi nokuzotha athi ngiyabondla mara ungipost.
Batalla ba.
It's my birthday, KG. You didn't post me, but I'm feeding you. I was like, what the fuck? How? No. Now he's angry now. He's not even answering my DM. I said happy birthday. See, he posted status. No, happy belated. He's not saying anything. He wanted to be posted.
Ane ras activate as feet marafta mo dololo.
Guys, you know if you can throw a universe. If you can throw a universe,
Thank you, Boss Mike.
you're going to have viewers.
Guys, we're gonna do it on this.
We're gonna go from 9 to 100.
Abayithi serious tabarna ya viewers.
Siso, why thinking? But after a universe, when you have viewers, you're trying to get to Nanka Saikon.
Ana ko irumela.
How?
Akichabisile.
I be ready.
Akichabisilo.
Gift must come from the heart.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, mfape lo re gift ka yona no. When a gift must come from Adere. That's cause
Thank you, Bramike. Guys, they are winning. Guys, come on, times 2. Times 2, guys, times 2.
Arto jaga mo Bramike.
Mav.
Bota khulu fa latle ka mo ke mmotsitse question a so nkara.
Ara hanya give you once yen. Unyaka nkulu fela. Mav.
E tla ka mo khulu fela o
Guys, times 2.
Agree with some donuts in the glove.
Ngiyayithanda ishow vela ngihlava.
Uba right agree bakalisebenzisa ngithi maka izoze expire. Are ngisifiso
Where did you go up? Did you go up here?
Are ita ko yena utomutsa kamkhulu.
Bramike. Bramike or Joshua Dodge.
Mav, you know I wanted to ask you, Mav, where are you from?
The furniture business motso re ke re ya.
Pumpkin.
Yes.
So, Mav, I'm very good, my brother.
Ke re ba ka Instagram.
Mav King mostly supports most of our South African streamers. Where is he from? This side or outside?
Somewhere.
It's from outside.
Okay, but mostly stays amongst South African streamers. That's so nice.
Yeah, shame. Yeah.
Mav, I walks around South African streamers.
Ba o file 1000 coins e o bolela thata.
Yes, I can hear
So
you,
do you,
but
do you know Bra Mike? Maf King, welcome. Do you know Bra Mike? Thank you,
Okay.
Maf King. Thank you so much.
who's Bramike?
Do you know Swiss? Do you know Bra Mike Swiss?
Bo Bramike o tla ba itseng ke di scammer yo.
Ubani Mike Nkosi yami?
Serious. No, why you put it up for fast ka language? Ho ka ira
Go
se
outside. Let me check if it's still
O
raining.
tla go Bramike. O sirile go Bramike. O itse anong if somebody says ntho o irile go Bramike, just know ke mgunyati.
Serious.
Look at what we're for the faith, but over to the regular Bramike.
It's bad. It's still drizzling outside. It's very bad. It's still drizzling outside.
Hey,
Okay.
you can come now. Cut
No, I was just
now.
wondering, which King, where are you from? Because mostly
Yeah, I get next day.
since I've known you, you were just around
corner.
gifting around the people I normally go to. So that was a question of, I was questioning myself, good with Mav, one of
I'm leaving,
the
Jen.
South Africans, or
Guys,
maybe
thank you
just
so
likes
much.
the crew side.
Thank you so much, Maf King.
Thank you,
Bra
Mafia,
Mike.
for making us nice in the nation.
Going hard, my King. I don't know
Guys, everybody,
about
thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mav. Thank you, Agrippa. Thank you, everyone. Hulu. These people are sending matches without us going to the list
Hip-hop king.
of our
Mara KG, Mara.
to say thank you.
Now
Ereke share
you're
lesson,
going,
ja ta
going for the listing of Ubanu level 39. Ha, KG.
But Mav was on your side first, not to say it's level 39. Do you know Pumpkin Good
No,
level 0?
no. Sengishela ukuthi manje ubona igift su act as if we are appreciate ama tips wakho. Sedlala ama games awu 10. You never yanenza KG.
Thank you, Bra Mike.
Ah.
When I honestly, Pumpkin.
awuyeka
Thank you.
ama-tappers akho. Mina ngiyimi ngabe ngikuthepheli. Silu KG ubona level 39 ngani. Mav, ungaroja uKG kana nje inhliziyo enhle. Ibhega lana nje enga appreciate ama-tappers.
Pumpkin, Mara.
I told you
Pumpkin, whose child are you, Mara? When
This one is a devil, this one.
And my battery is low. Ereke tsale ka mo ntlong, wait.
Moyana Mopula Kirkia Balconia. This one is a devil, and that time he goes to church a lot.
Aba o tsa ba re ba etsa dibe ke bo mamu.
And the King, you are right. You are right, King. You are right. And
This
yes,
church
that it
goers.
was.
KG,
I
I
asked
think
myself.
You
what-
just saw a church video trending now.
You are right, my King.
So
You are
church-
right.
Siso, wena njengafuna ukukhuluma indaba zakho, ngicela
You
ungiyeke.
are right, my
Ngicela
King.
ungiyeke.
But I never asked myself,
Indaba
Maramina, one thing
Mina
I thought,
ngenzeni manje?
you are just
Angifuni
from
nje
here,
ukufile
maybe
lapho.
you relocated somewhere, or you understand.
Yeah, in a
Guys,
fight.
we need 2 roses from 2 different people, guys. Come on.
No, Bomava, people that are very smart. You'll never know Uguchi. He went to Google Translate. Now I'm confused. No, I tend to look at the
Not
person and
because
check.
even the accent is giving South Africa.
Uh-huh.
Probably he's got South African roots, but he grew up that side. Chances are that.
And you guys have never thought of that. It's only now.
Bra Mike, can I please have, guys, we will need 1 rose.
Asking.
Bra Mike, 1 rose.
Guys, we don't have queens that can recharge and come and play for us.
Abanata abasadi, abanata ba le rena KG. They don't care about us. Who let Michael Jackson?
Enigma, how are you? Pastor Enigma.
Abby Indigo, welcome. I mean,
Enigma is whooping me. Enigma, you were whooping me when you were playing
I
whoop.
once had a classmate called Amin. Welcome, Abdi
Enigma.
Indigo. Can you please help me?
Enigma, I know you from who?
I followed you back. Indigo. Can you please help me beat this, guys? Thank you so much. 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 Guys, come on.
Kataza. Now you Kataza gonna smoke. Uthatha la madonut uzowafaka ngapha uyi smokeless Kataza wami. Hey!
Guys. They got this.
With the money can. I'm going to the Billy pie full of horse.
Ngicelele.
KG got smooth, huh?
Can someone snipe?
Mavi, Kataza, Agrippa, Kantu, Pre-Lady, Tebza.
Leon.
You know,
Let's be
You know,
Baby Leon.
Miss Lola.
Hey,
Miss Lola.
angifuni.
Today I got a money card. Mav, don't tell me that you went to my story and checked that yesterday I struggled to get a money card. Today you are consoling me. Yesterday I streamed for 4 hours. 4 hours. Streaming.
Mara KG. I shame when you act. Oh yeah.
Tigo, mama ke streaming 4 hours. No money card.
KG.
Mara pumpkin ngikhuluma mangakani?
KG,
Future seat.
come on next door.
Future City.
KG, bakunikeza future seat few hours ago.
What? Ngcono ngoba labantu balaba khona nokucheck ama rankings.
Thank you, Lumes. Thank you for the hard me.
King Darkness.
That's a Sasha, KG, because I'm
Mhm.
Hey, KG.
Yeah?
Ke bone o munyu mama ka mo next door ka mo ke bona ka ro single nka ilo tsela yena wait.
Hayi, nomfowethu ngishayela phansi manje. Unye uringi, mina nginya ko fasiwa ki procurement manager.
Ai, lena KG lo zwana. Ashinga ba khore votela ko North Africa kwa.
What you look at Msitila, okay.
KG serious. This is starting to be war. This is starting to be war.
Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, Indigo. Thank you so much.
Tigo, where is that traditional nyanga coming from
Thank
now?
you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
How do I get to
Guys, everybody that contributed, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Yo, guys, Indigo.
Kataza,
helped me.
Shabe, Mavi, everyone guys, thank you so
I
much.
was at 60 something. Now I'm at 30 something. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Hey,
much.
wafisa hamtongo.
So Tigo, now you even know the traditional healers are gifting you.
KG, uzongimoshela amaplan ne.
Hey,
Like pull up.
Now must go harder.
Okay,
I saw
Don't mess with me, KG. Just keep quiet. Just keep your quiet.
Kani Peraj PS naro una le tribe
Okay,
e
guys,
South Africa.
first gift double, first gift double. You know, one thing for sure, what I know about the person who just throw a
Thank you so
motorcycle,
much.
the person who just throw a motorcycle that side, it was his last.
Yeah. Let
It was
me
his last. I tell the person
How
to
do
throw.
you know? How do you
Okay,
know?
Just took his
okay,
last
let him
money
throw.
from
Let him throw.
harvesting.
Let him throw a baby
you,
lion or a jet. Let's see. That was his last motorcycle. I know.
We know
This
people
is
that
with me.
folk.
People who throws motorcycles, we know them. They are trying to give you a message. Ride with
It's
me.
the highlight
That
of
time
his
is money.
career. It's the highlight. That was the highlight of his gifting career. The largest gift he
Yes.
has ever sent.
And that is
This
biggest
person
gifter.
is level 30. This person is level 31. What do you mean when I see so
He was
Yeah.
leveling up
Everyone
with
is less
donuts.
than 1 million coins.
He was
He
living up
was
with donuts.
leveling. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
He was recycling from box matches.
Thank you, thanks.
Guys, we need one more rose, guys. We need one more rose.
Yes, thank you guys. Thank you.
Let
Let him throw.
One more rose, guys.
Let him throw. Let him throw. Let's see if he was not taking chances. We don't take
Let him play
chances.
the
Thank you so much, Haley. Thank
Let
you.
him play the game.
Motokua. Guys, thank you so much.
Marasaka.
I mean, thank you, Iggy.
Alright,
Look, I'm used to.
I said Marasaka.
Are you insulting my
And
gifter?
beauty. I said Marasaka.
Oh.
We are not insulting him.
What are you saying now? What are you saying? What?
Fuck it, next part.
Gallery complete.
They're quiet now. You're quiet now.
What
KG.
do you want?
You're quiet now. Don't mess with us.
Level 20.
30,000 inyana ya o tshosetsa.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say, Indigo. Thank you so much.
KG, what do you want?
Industry machine will come, guys. Thanks,
So-
guys.
so,
They must
okay,
keep quiet.
Pumpkin.
They must keep quiet.
Who's
guys.
your
They must
ghosty
keep
pumpkin
quiet.
that
Let's go.
side?
Let's go. They must keep quiet. They talk too much.
Wa mo ba re ke ithuba Africa.
Who's your coach to that side?
Huh?
That person is a coward.
Coward, you can't say coward when you're sitting at the
Cowards are always private. Cowards are always private.
You can't say that because when you're at 26.
But cowards are always private.
Enigma. Thank you, my Enigma.
Thank you so much.
That
And
person-
empty. My hands are even pink.
Let me shush.
Yeah, just shush because
I'm
Uzotin.
thinking, if it's the person I'm thinking is the one, let me just shush. I shush. I mean, I'm sas.
Vele.
Thank
Ah,
you,
let's start with the
Kosi.
Daddy Lion. People care.
Wow. I'm blessed.
Lana.
When a pumpkin, when is the next ultimate matches?
Hey, I don't know, and I didn't
Oh, but Ghosty can be TP, ne? Ghosty can be TP.
Who's ghosting now?
TP, I know,
I want
he likes
to know
to
my
throw
ghost.
Ghosty.
My ghost is a level 50 land. Please.
I mean, I've got the biggest level on my live stream, very toxic one. The Kaiser Chiefs fan.
Come on.
This other guy with two fingers like this on his profile. This other guy with fingers like this on his profile. Mara, very toxic.
Okay,
We
Chief,
can't even
Zach.
see him. Guys, thank you so much. In Bigo, thank you so much. I appreciate it, man.
So that guy is using his money. So that guy, hey, some other people got, we pagania bafu. Oh, we remember. These are some other people. So now other people came to, hey, yeah, narukurupilega.
Thank you, Ghosty.
Piso. Ghosty or kurupilega.
so much, Izzy.
Wa maro shapo a tla to tolokisa rena ka mo a re mantshe ka mo no ra ke e tla tsa toro dala le wa halile wa itse ba re jere ko re ba tara ga
Guys,
second
thank you so much. everybody.
Lalela. Tiko.
Yeah?
So that guy, when people are
I don't know
coming,
if you see
when
me.
people
Thank
are
you
coming
so
to him,
much. Ngiyabonga.
he's using his money. O rekisa tšhelete ya batho ba o tlhola. A ke itse ka sekgowa ke e bee bjang. E translate ka sekgowa.
consultation fee.
People are coming to consult, yes. People are coming to
Even if
consult
you guys
with their
can say
problem.
that he's gone, Shem, guys, he left, Shem. So you can't tell him to do what.
O tsere ya mafello ra itse.
Yeah, Mara Ghosty, TP also snipe on Ghost. I know TP. Also snipes on Ghost.
Hi, Mocha.
TP also snipes on Ghost.
Yay, KG. Kere. Ora snipe la feta.
And a KG, bari ke mang industry hitilem. As says.
Yeah, bona.
Kam guys, if kami kisa kam kilika C14 kama tlile.
Tsikgo, wa bona ha o jale nna. O mpone hore how do I?
Yeah.
Phela go botsa, wena man wena.
No, I do understand. Like I'm trying to protect him. Like I'm trying to.
Yeah,
protect
what
him.
you must protect, now must go hard.
Language. I feel lost. Bambora bakhuluma language abangibeza ukuthi bathi. Sani ngiyabonga.
We are talking about TP Queen. We are saying TP Queen is a big sniper. Now we are translating in English. He's our queen. He got smoke. She's got smoke. And when you don't have smoke, but you are a friend.
I don't have smoke catching. Puma go 29 million man. It's KG.
Well, the person who just fall on a tree like a drop potato on A2 to be something with and you're streaming every day.
KG bengekho ku TikTok.
No, don't come with that excuse. You've been streaming every day, but no coins.
I'm blind KG bengekho nje ku TikTok. Stop
No.
lying.
You drop like a potato. You drop like a potato, like a mango. From the A League, you went down.
I don't stream every day, KG.
The pastors are now tired of seeing that dress of yours acting like a saint. They are no longer want to recharge with money that people are going to put on the church. They're tired.
Can you give us a game no Sfiso please? Ni smokeless. Hi M Beauty.
Aw, serious hlekisa ngathi.
Sako mabasinikeza igame kunini bas abuse.
Brafistos. Is what was abused. We've been winning since from when?
abuser. Oh, I miss abusing.
Rafisto with the beer. Are you good, my G?
And bas tugile, hey?
Guys,
KG,
we
when
got
you
the
must,
couples.
you must teach me your insults.
Guys, we
When
need
I
to
like
go
shame.
harder on this
Yeah.
honors.
Guys, I'm on B2 number 8, bro. I'm on B2 number 8.
How's listen?
How many fragments to be one? How many fragments to be one?
It's only one.
Oh, so tomorrow, if you can also get another 3, you're going to A.
Yeah.
But I'm going to the hostel tomorrow, Sunday.
Pumpkin
You're
again.
lying. Oh, tomorrow.
Hi, Slovo.
Then
I'm on B3. Hi.
But
If I try to push, I'm gonna be at B2 tomorrow.
But
Also drop it.
BKG, right? I want to A young stress and nation black color.
why is a share when it's lit this side? Why is it lit? It's not lit. Now it's nice. We are playing nice. You see, we are going hard on these ladies, but we are smokeless. But they are gifters. The problem about gifters, you know, I like big gifters. You know what big gifters are doing? Eh? They come and drop a lion on the other side or a uni. Then they jump and come this side to say, at least an interstellar, to say, nice game. We are smoking. But your gifters are only throwing for you, then they pass us. They are heartless. They are heartless.
I need to when you are going hard on them.
They are heartless.
If I'm a master, magafagi Leon, why fagangali Leon?
They are heartless. I don't like heartless people.
Jesus is Lord. What's up,
Robin the
my
traveler.
What's a mail?
Sa ilo kanali di heps.
Also Canada helps. Wow, boy.
Regina
Usailo
Chel-
futa. Usailo futa. Omo ngoro tshware ke stroke. Usailo futa mo hape so patela o reka di.
Regina tšhelete ya consultation. Kare chawe mo mzetse tsa ha translatoring. You must not shake the hand of the moon.
O jile tšhelete consultation. Di fedile no. Sego. Bese le rena go ba le matlhatsi di jale tšhelete ke le di tsa batho.
My brother. Ya tšhelete tsa
Why can't you
dingaka.
filter Santonelli, guys?
Mr. Robbie. Are you good, man?
Sometimes go to Mankal, Mankulego.
Moto Kalolo lied, the biggest gift I grilling.
Oh, Mr. Robbie, it's Mr. Robbie, it's DY. Is it DY Chami's gift, eh? Am I right? Mr. Robbie, it's DY
Moi,
Chami's
moi.
gift.
I don't
Am I
know.
right?
I'll go and gift gallery lap.
I don't know who's Mr. Robin. I don't know who's doing actually. I don't know. Guys, can you double check for me? I'm going to be to number 1. Till my fragments out 2x. Then tomorrow I try to stream. As it to be one in Zoom. You must stream
No,
Oh, yeah, no, now I understand. Mr.
B1
Robbie. I don't want to
is
see
the
you coming
most,
in, say.
the hardest
So now I'm starting to
B1 difficult because the streamers are banning a dropper from A to
bring my memory back to say, man, I know the name, I know the name, I know the name. Now, no need. Now it clicks that no, man, I know, Mr. Robbie.
I can't kare ka to bona go default ya no.
No, I want to see myself on the B League. The A League, I don't want because I know the A League, it wants you to have a big community with power, you know. But the B League, no,
I have got people ka mabathepe. Go ba bloga bo botle.
no, they are jammed. Fiso, they are jammed there. Don't block people. They are jammed there.
Thank you really. I wanna now my only true person now.
Fiso, you must remember whenever you are a big shooter, and you must be patient for other people if they can activate speed with the donuts. They are not you who
I can't
activate speed.
activate the speed. Ya ba thepe man, taps are for free. No VAT included.
Oh, poor people. Are you good, sir? Are you good? Are you good?
KG,
You are welcome on my live stream. Very talkative.
nesinye
Mara
streamer
uthethile
ne
ku-KG pele so eka se
Yeah.
khona ukhetha gago ka mona.
esithanda ukuthi every time when I'm streaming noma online uyavala ulive wakhe aze ku-live stream yami azofuna ukubona ukuthi ngenza njani dlala kanjani yabo. So namhlanje I was
Uyakustoka.
playing
Uyakustoka.
uyangistoka. So and uma ngistoka follow ama-gifters uhlele umuntu angena kugalari ungena kugalari uma efika lapha follow every gifter bese yahamba. Manje ikhona enye i-account yami ne that day khona umuntu asengidelele kakhulu ngathi hawa let me recharge my account ngasinayipela ngahlala kugalari bazom-DM lo muntu uthi khona why you gifting pumpkin alone on TikTok ngicela uzogift kanti ukhuluma ku-account yami. Me understand?
Nyani.
Account leyo yami i-private. Ngizibuza ukuthi why ngithi wena why mzondi upumpkin uthi hhayi angimzondi, it's just that every time usnayipele pumpkin now usnayipele.
How?
Okay ngiyayizwa
So
lena.
like ujwayele nje.
Yeah, ushuthi into yakhe le. If ngabe bekuthiwa akayi-ephanga le account maybe ubezohlala yenza lento ingasoze ngifind out ne, but waba nebhadi because wayekhuluma ne-account yami. Okay. So namhlanje ngena ku-live yami cabanga I was desperate for i-rose. Ngithi ngicela i-rose ngibona uyangena laphana uyahlala ngilokhu ngibuka lapha ngabe ngimblokha ngam-unblokha wabuya watype wathi kodwa yini pumpkin ngabe ngimblokha forever.
Yeah, I'm blocking
Kale nibembone ngathi ustakile lapha ngam-blokha ngam-unblokha ngabona uyajoyina futhi live stream yami uzothi pumpkin why ngabe ngimblokha. So tell me, was I toxic? Tell me.
No, you are not. That's I don't know what do they call it, monitoring spirit.
You got what you wanted because you snapped for yourself on your gallery. So you can get those things. Ugulayile.
No, I think shoot ama-gifters amaningi from South Africa angishiyela lokhu nyoka yona inyoka
A lot
But guys, okay, let's solve this thing, guys. As a streamer, let's be honest, it's fine. As a streamer, you are not wrong to DM someone as long as you are not bashing someone else. Am I wrong or right?
Yeah, you're not wrong.
As a streamer, you need coins. You must remember, as a streamer, you need coins as well. The only problem, the evil that we'll do is to speak bad about KG to certain person to say, don't go and give this, come and gift me. That's an evil. That's been evil. But as a gifter, as a streamer, the first way to go to look for other people's gifters, or not to look for other people's gifters, for look to a big shooter, is to go through a gallery. There's no other way you can see without going to a gallery to see someone if it's a big shooter. The only way to find out if someone is a big shooter, you must go through someone else's gallery.
True.
That's an honest truth. The only problem is that when you start bashing someone or speaking something bad of another person.
But that's what they do,
Umuzile
upumpkin uti like that girl or whoever. Is it a girl or a boy?
It's a girl. Umfana nomona la TikTok amantombazana.
says who?
Bafana akekho ufana nomona amantombazana.
Yay. We know nathi angisho
Pumpkin. Njengawe namuhla size safika kule topic le. Sithu sihlele sokufanele. Why most people bathi nawe ungumantshontsho? Utshontsha kanjani? Bathi ungumantshontsho phela.
KG yabona ukuthi ngimuhle manje KG. I was checking lo muntu ogift uSekho ungifollowile KG. Tomorrow uTheko uzobe offline uzobe online uzozazi ongivilela igallery and then uTheko sesithi mina ngithathela igift. Angithathe igift akose bayangifollowa ngimuhle KG. Muhle kahle.
Fanele ukuthi
akhona amanye ama-gifts azamangena lapha afollow uTheko. Angeke ngithi uTheko ungithathele ama-gifts.
And then like honestly speaking, even me with Pumpkin, we were once playing, so there was a person who was sniping for me and sniping for Pumpkin.
I'm asking on your behalf. You are
but I
getting
never
answers
said
from the
Pumpkin
relevant person.
wenzani, nanani, what.
Ngithi ngiyabona mina ngiwabuza on a correct discipline way.
Mina ngikhuluma iqiniso ngathi
Yes, uyaziphenduleka.
Pumpkin.
So
We have to avoid to avoid all this nonsense, siyokuthenga ibhalaklava. Uzoba umfana nation now.
What else was it? When I catch you, did you notice what I'm calling on nation ngale convention? Bamsaba fan nation. We are at a bam kupile matrimazo. Go scaro moya trans bank.
Wana.
Baba boy wenzeni.
Bam shile nation. Abakhulumi ngabe nation.
So guys, yabona ukuthi we are paying with usisi ngalo. Uthi usisi she's got looks. Mr. Nkiti. So usisi she's got looks.
One need to like honest,
The
like
looks are working for her. So he can't be bashed for that.
Usungaba ne-MVP yakho let's say uMav King. Mav King awugift uzomfollow.
Wonders.
Uzozazi ungisupport uMav King ngoba ungibonile uzofika lapha ethi ngibona udlala no-KG ngiyakufollow. Ama-gifters amaningi angisupport. Thathe Nigeria.
who said when you're feeling gifters?
What's
Who said when you're gifting?
Do you know Buttercup?
Oh yeah.
They say Buttercup she must stop playing with me because I'm taking her gifters. Ukuthi basho bani angazi ngoba ama-gifters kaButtercup engakhumbulayo uMavuso noJim akazi bangifta nje laba bantu angibazi nje live stream
The problem, you know what? The problem is that way. I think the communication yethu yesintu yemoshaya. That is why lento maba ibike ngesilungu iba right. Gifters. Gift. Nomuntu lo ukhiphe igift uzile wazonikeza ukhethi igift. Ihlupha mawuso uthi eyakhe igifta yami.
True.
Ihlupha mase uthi eyakho musi makuye yakho uzithengela ama gift musi wayengazithengela ama gift ngoba yewakho uzithengele wena.
the only gift men we claim amele
So manje Usfiso yes.
At the dawn.
Usfiso is addressing. Usfiso is shooting to me every day, now and then. So now I must go through and check what Usfiso wanikeza eat the 200k roses on the gallery saying it lama because ngibu eat mina ngithi njengoba Usfiso angishuthela often lama rose ay 200k ye gifta wami. I nonsense. Doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that.
When KG ways at the dawn.
I'm still shooting.
Around.
I'm still shooting like nobody's business every day.
Nah.
It's fucked up.
So he no longer shoots for South Africans.
He shoots. You can go to Hila, you'll find him there. You can go to
Act the Don supports everybody.
yes, you can go to Hila, you'll find him there. You can go to who's that guy? Kimbang Lee J. You'll find him there. Everywhere. That guy is still shooting. And you know when I started from your live stream, you still remember?
I do. That's why I carried me. Like, what did I do to him?
Mbuzi.
At the dawn.
Mbuzi.
No, awumenzanga lutho la muntu uthethe breakage.
But he's still there. He's still shooting for people.
No, uko wayithatha break ubuya manje nami ngiyambona kuma live stream amaningi uhambe gift. But uke wayithatha break lapho.
Akazi akarelax, urelaxa like thina ngithi akusiyaya ngaphandle siyochecka asimbona ngale box lakhe le boxing liphuma likhiphe 3 ama gift into enkulu.
Boxi.
Uyadlala nini?
Hayi phela eSouth Africa unappreciate. Right.
Nangale uImo uyamthola khipha le box. Yini konje le box igama lani?
Africa ba appreciate iko uKG waye gift umfazi omhlophe.
Bengengisali. Bengengisali. Yo. Bengengisali. Guys, they are talking about other people I'm included. They can't leave my name out of their mouth.
I give you once here. Guys, send me a lion, I send you view once.
They can't keep their my name out of their mouth. They must try by all means.
Send a lion, I'll send a view once.
Official is coming. Babuto is coming. He's playing an official. He's playing a birthday match.
Nah, he's not playing a match. He's just gonna open a panel like last year.
Playing KG. Just a panel.
Oh, it's a birthday panel.
Check it.
Yeah, even last year he did the same.
Oh, a birthday panel.
I will check it.
Yeah, I remember love you once. Ladies, Lion, University
Abafana
Roma
bathi
love you.
once.
Sunday University Roma love you twice.
And
KG,
Pumpkin.
birthday yakho. Hey KG.
Yeah, ukusizile ubafo yong naku tournament phela bonga nasmoke.
So,
Ukusizile bonga nasmoke. So yazibona
Bafo Kimang.
kakhulu Shem, unginikeze isithunzi, unikeze igama, ngizinze ngithrendile KG.
ukunikeza ismoke. Phela bonga na bo smokeless phela.
Unikeze. Hayi KG ngeke. Ha!
You was a big bowler there. But who smoked
Yes,
that?
he was big, but bebekhona abanye.
Obani.
Bengilama level 40s awu3 la KG.
Ooh, level 40s.
$1, I am rich. Bebehlela bewu3. Big boys. I am rich. Bonke bayakhuphila amabhuku esithi boss.
Comment section is only working.
One more rose, guys. One more rose. Okay.
Bebekhona bonke. Hawu. KG mina ngikho angeke ngibe smokeless mina. KG yazi ukuthi
Tekile ka score 60,000. Kopela le marinate
mana ngithi Sifiso ithi ngitshele something KG. Yabona lento eyenziwa uKalabo leyayenzayo lapha ku live stream yakho. Laba abantu abakhuluma kakhulu ne. Yilaba abantu abafuna ukudestroy le platform yakho bakuxoshela ama gifters. And mina ngeke bakhona. Ngobani? Ngoba mina support yami eningi angiyitholi from la.
Yeah, true.
This support yami eningi is not from here, it's from outside. If bekuthiwa mina bengisupportwa ikakhulu ngabantu balana eSouth Africa, ngabe kudala ngawo. True. Kodwa ngimi I'm still standing. Mangiphuma nje ngivala lo live ngiya ku Kingston ngale ngiyofollow ama gifters.
Yabona uyakutshela something A1 ne.
Follow ama gifters bazongifollow back ngiyakhipha le profile eyiphepho ngoba bangiboni kahle. Bazongifollow bazongifta nithi viewers futhi ayinginanda.
Yeah, le people le yakudlisa. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something Pumpkin ne. Once people ba concentrate kuwe too much. You must know that there's something good you are doing they are jealous of.
Yeah, true.
Take the queen. You must see with this. And once they make you trend, they make you popular. Most people will want to see with you. Lo Pumpkin abakhuluma ngaye ubani? Who's that person?
Nalawa ama gifters zabo laba abatshela ukuthi Pumpkin usend viewers bazoyifuna la. Bazoqhufuza kakhulu la ngoba bayifuna lento enithi ngiyayisenda phela.
Thank you Jackie with that me. So you must appreciate when they give you the spot to shine. Are you good? You must not be shaken.
I'm not moved.
Fiso, who's your ghost to that side, that man? Fiso, who's that person sending you kisses? Your ghost.
I'm not moved ukuthi bathini ngami.
But now you must go to Kingston when they change say 360 and go in 360 there.
KG shothi mina ngiqale ngiyenza iBBL ngoba engayenza i360 bakayeka nokungigift. Kubi KG.
Ushuthi ivasplanka lapho ku flat.
Kubi. Thank you so much Tepsa.
Namanga mana kusi flat ikhona into okuhlalanyana lapho.
Ngiyadlala KG ngishadile mina nendoda la ku TikTok. Ngishadile KG la. So
Awusi Jackie, all right. Umunati.
Patile.
Thank you so much Tepsa. Abona mangaba single bakangidampa ngizohamba lapha Kingston. Ngiyathola the equalizer. Yamazi la gift song the equalizer KG. We. Uwa gift no Lizzy.
Amazi.
IT ended. Got a note for Deborah Shem. Deborah was smokeless. Nowadays she's always on rankings.
Yeah, the unlimited smoke.
Too much.
And uphethe smoke consistent unlimited smoke every day so. That lady. Nangu mina ongikwatisayo. Mara manje ngiyomanage account yakhe. Izinto zami into zethu zizoba right. Mawuqeda la, mawuqeda ukuvala. Ungidm ngalo letha ama login details.
Hey, Juya gona hack.
No, akere ke bolela straight. O tloba o itsurwisile la. Straight. Sfiso knows where I stay.
Nah. I know nothing.
Unebhede kaLindo, Nkosi amabhede la maningi kakhulu.
Lindo
Ibhede kaLJ man, not Lindo.
DJ.
Guys, let's double tap. Emini smoke asikho. Yazi bengithi ngifuna ukuzama namhlanje ngivule mina. Emini ngathi akuna smoke.
Mina, I want to restart Shem. After this, I think I'm gonna go and restart and come back. Don't add anyone. If you add anyone, I'm going to come here. I don't know and do what to you and a KG.
That's right. Amasayini abamnikeza wona ngale bamqabza kaningi akabuya.
Yay! ALG 93T. Welcome.
Wenza ngathi akabuli ukuthi bamqabuza.
Ismoke usikhona ekuseni nasebusuku KG asikho mina. I mean nami ngiyasiraglisha ha.
Extend what time?
Go 8 mina ngivula ngo8 no Smile nowadays.
No mina Agrippa ngibonile vele smoke akusinto ukuthi nginaso kosele ngisifuna ngoba isazama nama time zone. Mara ebusuku ungconyana ebusuku. I mean
yabona Theko mina ngifana noFortunate. Ismoke usethi is from outside. Ingoba siya stream ebusuku bonke noFortunate sebese online ngabo 2 AM 3 AM.
Yabona if there's one person.
Khona lapha ismoke usase Nigeria
Yabona if there's one person who's minding her own stuff and who doesn't even give a pono that I like, it's Fortune X. Fortune X is there. He's there doing his own thing. There.
Yeah, true.
It's not mixed with everyone in a salad and color. He's there and isolated.
Utin ngam when KG.
When Fortune, what the difference between you and your sister, you care too much of what people will say. Fortune doesn't give a fuck.
Oh yeah, true.
Utheko yakhala, yes.
When you turn too much, then you've got that. You understand? Thingy, yabu soft, yabu lie, crying baby. Fortune doesn't give a fuck.
Thank you, Pepsi.
Oh no.
Fortune X doesn't give a fuck. That one. She's KG. She's KG in a female space.
Hey.
Doesn't give a polo.
I'm good, my friend. When on Punjan.
It doesn't give an F. You can try to say whatever with Fortune X. That one.
But fortunately, like, what will people say about her? Because there's nothing people can say. Because she doesn't even know a lot of gift streamers. But it's a because even like her, she plays with people that side. She gets gifts from people that side. Young Ton.
I saw it on my stuff and things on phone, but I followed another one of her accounts. Let my mother to take a break. People were.
She doesn't really know people from
5 minutes
SA.
on the app to relax.
In time, KG.
Hi B.
Hey, Raga Mam Fortune.
Hi. Imani soqoqobala lapho kuze kube nini?
Guys, I haven't.
What do I have more TikTok, KG?
Let's restart our life and come back.
Smokeless.
No, it was raining just now, but it stopped. Tips.
Seko asibe maybe more have 3 to 4 ayingeno sina.
Here is still drizzling.
Yeah, it's fine. We're gonna come back, Mina, now. So we are closing now.
Yes.
Yeah, valani phela ngithi na Christian ban nginprovokela amagift banitholile
So
smoke.
SG, see you later, my brother.
30K diamonds namhlanje so I need
Look at you.
Huh?
Tholilayo nje namhlanje.
What are you?
Pushile.
Batho ba kry di-lion.
Lion yonke le 30k. Pushile. Mendla noSmile. Yazi ukuthi it's not easy ukudlala noSmile, but I think uyena umuntu ozoletha ismoke sami back. Ngoba mangidlala noTheko siyikhulumela so abas gift.
Ya manje mawulanda bomkhaya ngale kubangcono.
Hi, Shem. Let me go.
Mina ngifuna la bomkhaya.
Tomorrow sadlala i-day game noTheko KG ngicela
Yeah.
uzongisupport.
Woza wena
Ah,
noSpiso. Woza wena noSpiso.
kanti Pumpkin uSmile nalo muntu odlala nathi bomkhaya bakho.
What is Mkhaya KG?
Like
People that are
homie.
coming from the same homie.
Mina KG.
When Pumpkin stays at Cape Town. Guys, bye-bye.
Hey man, stays and coming from is two different things.
Guys, I'm going to I'm resetting my life. I'm gonna come back 3:30, I think, but I really have to push with my streaming so that I complete my schoolwork today.